Hello, in front of me I've got Garmin Edge 540. In this video I'll show you how to set up group ride. In the beginning make sure that your device is connected with app, and next go to group ride from the homepage. Tap plus, enter name, date, start, add course and generate code. That's why you have to be connected. Next, go back and share your code with your friends. Also, you can enter code by pressing enter, enter text, tap OK, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.